What up, guys? It's me again. There's just kind of... Alright. If... In the last episode, we finished out with the sub-story about, getting somebody out of a cult. Since then, a few things happened. Basically, I recorded a whole episode in which nothing of story relevance happened. Nothing from the main story happened in that episode, thankfully. It was a bunch of sub-stories I did. However, the video footage for that is lost. I still have the audio, but no video footage is with it. So, after a lot of trying to figure out what I wanted to do, I decided the best thing to do is to continue. The way Yakuza's loading system kind of works is that you can't really load a previous save state, and I didn't have the foresight to really create two save files because I was under the impression I could load a previous save state, which is on me. So, unfortunately, that episode is basically lost. But if you guys want, I can probably upload the audio with some basic descriptions as to the sub-story I'm doing and the main parts of it. If you guys want, I guess you can listen to the audio if you really want. Let me know in the comments below. But since then, I want to go over the sub-stories we actually did complete. We did... making sure we did Stadium Jumper Strut, where we got the Suda guy wearing a dumbass vest to walk across the bridge without getting his ass jumped. Aaron's on the run by helping Aaron. And then the Doll Girl. Those are the three sub-stories that I actually completed. In that time, I don't think I grabbed any new equipment. I don't remember. It was a while since I last recorded. But here's everything I have, just so you guys can... Frozen sardines. Alright. Anyway, here's everything that I have in terms of weapons. So here's all of the extra stuff that I have in terms of items. And so yeah, that's pretty much the inventory in case I, didn't have anything. I can't remember if I spent any yen on any additional abilities right now. So you're just gonna have to trust me on this when I say I probably didn't. If I did, they're basic upgrades. Yeah, let's get that slugger attack while we're here, because that's gonna be useful. Since my last time I booted up the game, I did kind of do some research, and I kind of have a better idea on how the combat system works, so I won't suck as badly. I still need a lot of practice, I think, but I understand better how important heat is and how dull my actual gameplay looks and how not to suck. So hopefully I suck less. So let's see. So with all that in mind, let's continue with this next episode. So right now, pretty much, I think we're just going to go for the next part of the main story. I think. Yeah. You got pocket. That's not where I wanted to go. Oh, I wanted to go here. Okay, well, I think Walking Erection told us, or Mr. Libido told us to go around here. What's up here? Telephone Club. Telephone Club. What's a telephone club? This is a Japanese thing I'm not familiar with. Okay, let's see this. Did Makoto Makimura's using college age. Okay. So telephone, is this like a phone sex type thing? Where you call somebody, you get a prostitute and just have phone sex, or some like sexy time talking. just lying around. Jealous. Okay. Baby finally. Oh. Oh, she's a mother. That's fun. That's with the kid. That's off the mark. Guess it'd be too lucky to strike gold on the first call. It's gonna take a while. So he's just gonna keep going off and off, off and on, off and on. Okay. 90 minutes? So an hour and a half of just calls, calls, calls. Damn, Majima, you player. Hello? Okay. Okay, fairly young woman. Name's Goro. Okay. Goro is using his first name. That's something that I from what I hear. So I'm gonna pause real quick because this is a cutscene. From what I hear, from what I know, usually using your first name is more of a flirty romance type thing or very close bond type thing. So I guess that kind of makes sense. I don't know though. I'm just saying what I know. There's bits and pieces I've picked up here and there from games. Yeah, not the best place to learn about Japanese culture or language, but you know, that's what it is. Super wiped. In class for the first time in forever. So she went to class. So she's probably college age. Okay, she sounds tired. So he's asking. College girl. Let's connect to Makimura. Gotta keep digging here. What am I supposed to ask? Oh, okay. It's just gonna keep being a cutscene. Yeah, I guess. Hate being bored, so you used to find guys who want to go out and have fun. Oh, is it like a connection thing? Not phones. Okay, Jesus Christ, sometimes. Oh. So, I guess you sometimes talk for the sake of... This is weird, man. Guess what, I'm hungry? Okay. Fan of the free lunch. Okay, so she has standards, at least. Yep. Happen to have tattoos? Interested in tattoos. If he did? Okay, well he's a Yakuza, he has tattoos. See, okay, this Majima should have tattoos. He's at least was part of the Yakuza at one point. Did he be an artist, but no one really shows their tattoos in public. Sometimes I'll meet them to get a good look at. Okay. It's a Hanya. I got a Hanya. Demon lady. I guess tattoos are kind of seen as a gang thing, and I mean, if Yakuza, yeah, have tattoos. Hanya, it's probably demon lady's not specific enough. It's probably a specific kind of demon lady. Mythology and folklore can get very specific for zero reason at all, from my experience. From animals getting banged or banging people to whatever spirits exist for the most odd things. Low on time. Okay. Let's ask something. Okay. Makoto Makimura. Okay, so actually freelance writer. I'm interested in maybe doing an article. Makimura-han. Get your meet up for just a bit to talk. Okay, so he's offering up money. Okay, Majima, you know what? He knows what he's doing. I mean, he's a business owner, so he probably knows what he's doing. Okay, promises. Crosses his heart on that. Except kill Makimura, but you know. Akko's gonna be fine, but Makimura, his intention is to kill him. Iwao Bridge. What are you wearing? Shades and a black jacket. Hair's long, back in a ponytail. Tend to stand out so you won't have much trouble. Could have mentioned that! Could have mentioned the eye patch, Majima. That would have been a defining feature. Alright. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Okay, let's go. See what's up with this. It's evening already? It was like morning. Hey, buddy. Who's this, buddy? Oh! Hey, it's Mr. Libido. Walking erection again. He's back! I swear I met him before. I'm gonna say, did I see this clip without realizing it? No. I swear this is the second time I'm meeting him. What? Surrounded by, okay, yeah. Go to a cabaret on your off time. No, that was strictly business. It's not the morning, it's the sun's setting, dog. The sun is setting. No, it's for business. I feel like you've been everywhere I have. You've got business. So I wind up just going to the spot most days. What? Massage parlor, Japan, who knows what? Oh, that's what he meant. Massage parlor. I don't know what that is. Porn Hut. This is a place called Porn Hut. Awesome. Forget Pizza Hut. I want to go Porn Hut. Oh, you can't outporn the hut. Can't outporn the hut. To who knows where. See, this is how you can tell Majima really isn't that much of a player or a horny dude. He says like the obvious spot, the spot that has an obvious sexual implication, and then doesn't know anything after that. So, yeah, 3 times. This is like John. Oh my god. This is like JFK levels of horny. Holy crap. I get asked a lot. It's a reputation to uphold. No, we are not, Majima. No, we're not Mr. Libido. Not Majima. Oh, okay. See, his real name is Mr. Libido, but he's just called Walking Erection up to a point. Awesome. You just got the feeling we're birds of a feather. Trick chips. You frame me. Okay. He was good at what shot, that sort of thing. Oh, I ain't that thirsty. And put out videos like these. No! Come on! Soft course, these. What? You, yeah. Yep. No. What the heck? This is so weird. I don't like this. Ooh, no. I don't like that. My dumbass forgot to start another save file. I'm just gonna do that now. Yeah, I'll save another new save file. So, hopefully, what's going on here? Who's getting beat up here? There's something going on somewhere here. Who is it and where? I need to know now. Hey, what's that? I see you. Okay, another one of these cards. This is just creepy. Okay, where are these guys? This dude was getting harassed. I swear he was. You guys saw the captions at the bottom. This clown man. Okay. No? Alright, well, I'm so confused now. I want to look around to see if I can find that. If not, I guess that's that. Huh. Is that what I think it is? Was that the... Was that... Oh no, this is the karaoke bar. I don't want to do karaoke yet. I'll head to the bridge in a second. I want to do disco. I heard the disco music, and I want to do the disco music. Oh, I think it is from there, isn't it? Ah, that sucks. Oh well. I guess I'm actually gonna... There we go, got something here. Okay, yeah, let's just intervene real quick. Let's just do a quick bing bing wahoo. Nope. Oh yeah, that's what I was trying to do. See, I'm trying to incorporate more heat actions, and now that I got a full bar of heat, never mind. Yeet. Whoa. Oh shit. Let's try. There we go. I'm practicing here. I'm getting better. I just need to remember, figure out how to actually... whatever. Rainbow textiles. Alright. So that's going to be... I'm practicing. I'm getting better at combat, guys. I promise. Okay, now I'm less confused. I'm actually going to head to the bridge now. And hopefully, that one cutscene won't be lost. So, to the bridge I go! Alright. Okay, what's going on here? Is this a sub-story I've come across? Sold out. Gotta be away for what? You won't. Sold out. Pull one out from under the counter. Oh, okay, Jesus Christ. What does this male customer... What does he want? Okay, what do you want, dude? Aaron Yeager looking ass. I'm gonna buy the heart necklace from Destiny. It's trendy and in high demand, so it's so popular it actually sold out everywhere. Sounds like you gotta flood something, worry about it. Okay. Just seeing that I would get her. Oh. Okay. One's on you for making a promise you can't keep. But to come clean to you. If she dumps you over a necklace, you don't deserve her, dog. Alright. Fake. What? Oh, find it in the wild. It's so pop. Okay, yeah, I suppose. Still, that don't mean playing a fast one. I don't want to break my promise. Oh my god. Well, we'll work. Someone who's familiar with the criminal underworld, someone who would be acquainted with forgers. Some suitably shady character down the street. You're totally shady. Come on, dude. Shady connect. I like how he immediately assumes. I mean, I know he has connections. Probably not the kind he's thinking, but just assuming that from any guy. Okay. There are no forgers in my social circle. Sort of person who know all kinds of criminals, not just forgers. And you're really rude. We'll see. We'll see. One shady, you go to the shade. The alley's ahead as a good place to look as any. I'll worry about that later. I want to go to the bridge right now. I'll go to the bridge and then move on from there. Because I actually want to get some story stuff done right now. He's in me. Okay. He's standing at the bridge, looking at the water that's quite dirty, actually. Majima. Come on. Oh, right, his one eye is closed because it's gone. I was like, why are his eyes closed? And I remembered that he's missing one. Oops! Oh, is Akko here? Please tell me... Okay. Oh, yeah, easy. Shit. The guard's up sky high. She bails on me and I'm screwed. Gotta find a way to put her at ease here. Do I get a choice here? Not even to get out like this is enough to say. I'm shocked you. Can't you know? So, oh, no, just because. Yeah. Does she not know who he is? No? That guy's not. You seem like a nice one. Okay. Alright, that's the first hurdle cleared. Don't rush things along, but you got time for a little chat over a cup of tea? A meal it is then. Okay! See, she meets guys when she's hungry. Okay, sushi! Figures. Oh, sure, these days you're a total bum if you don't have at least 50 grand. 50 grand. Okay. Well, he's Lord of the Night, I guess. One of the most successful cabaret grand managers. Okay. I figured I probably wouldn't get this info for free, but... yeah, Majima can make that money eventually. Let us go to that damn sush. Which way am I going? Am I going the oh, it's this way. Don't tell me I have to walk my ass there. If I have to walk my ass... yeah, I can tell you do. Awesome. Let's just cut the shortest way. God. Honestly, we're waiting around for a reason. Oh my god. I go slightly fast. Bitch. This bitch. Okay, you know what? Let's go right to the sushi place. Oh, it's right here. This is the long way around. Oh, it's right here. Ugh, God. My motor skills are non-existent. Okay. To be fair, my arm has been kind of numb. I got my COVID shot, my first COVID shot, like, yesterday. I don't know, it's been sore. I hear it's normal. I'll be fine, though. It's whatever. Maybe that's just making my hand twitch a little bit. Uni and Ikura. You not drinking? Well, I am at work. Home here. I've always said this a lot. Okay. Lately, once a day. Holy crap, that's a lot of sushi. Got quotas that strict. The best part of what I do is that I can work whenever I want. Nah, hold on. It's a job, right? So somebody's asking you to do it. Finding John's? Nothing. Makoto's... okay, we must go meet up with guys. It's just to get taken out to meals. Nothing more. In a second. Ask me for cash once. So, sorry for not selling the goods. Wait, sorry? So you're not selling... Of course I'm not. You're not telling me that interview bit was a lie. Oh god, no he's not. I ain't going to know. Yo, she got standards. She got standards. Let's go. That's the farthest thing on my mind. I'm just saying those are the rumors I heard. Yes, that is true. you can try. You can try. Lord have mercy. What does that mean exactly? She just ignores him. Hey, Muse. Dating habits are fucking weird. I mean, you could just buy dates and nothing physical. I don't see why people, what the appeal of I don't see what any of this would be. Right? Like, if you pay for sex, dates, whatever, I don't care what it is. I don't see the appeal of it, but I guess some people do. Right? Check, you paid $20,000. That's not that bad. Oh, imagine if I had no money. Okay, that's easy. That's not that bad. Alright. So, that was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I was like, oh no. Okay. Alright, doing full. The game center. How about miscreants? I like that these days. Stuffed animals, whatever. Man, you're like in your what? How old is he by now? 20s, 30s? Like, he's surely not that old. And he's already like a boomer. Or I guess he is. Yeah, he is a boomer. But the boomer isn't that bad. Not in this time period. Kappa! Kappa! Yo, there's an actual Kappa boy. UFO catcher. The hell's that? Button to move the little crane inside and try to lift the toys inside to shoot there. And it's 100 yen to go? I guess they make it hard on purpose, right? Why not just go buy the damn thing in a toy store? You gotta win it here because they don't sell them anywhere else. You can't solve all life's problems by throwing money at them, you know? Just control it. I'm terrible at stuff like this. How come I got it? You wanted to hear... Ooh, she's dangling. Ooh, she's dangling shit over his head now. Get ready, because I'm doing this. Okay, I did this once already. In the last... In the last game, in the last episode, I did this once for the Doll Girl mission. So hopefully I can do it. Okay, insert a coin. I think I'm just gonna go for the blue boy then. Oh, I went to... Nope, I didn't go far enough. Fuck. Okay, I gotta hold it just a little more. No, that was too much! You're kidding me. Okay. Last try here. Okay, let's see what we do here. No! Again, I was far enough. Oh, did I get it though? Yo, I got it. Let's go! Please tell me she just wants a toy. Congratulations. Got it. Alright, he's got it. Needy! You needy bitch! Come on, let's hurry this up. Lady, let's move it! Come on. Up to the disco? I don't think I could eat that much food and if you then feel like dancing. Colin reserved us the VIP room. I was about to see what it was like back there. Oh, you have to do that. I'll tell you everything. Alright. This goes in Shofuko. We got a dress code there, but hopefully this ghetto will look the part enough. I mean, do I actually get to try the disco? Is that what's gonna happen? Do I actually get to do some dancing? Yeah, that'd be down this way. Oh, do I get a... Ooh! I know what time it is. I know what time it is. Tease. I ain't telling you again, Specs. This is our path. Always has been. Now clear out your yard, my yard, son. My man looks like a monkey. He looks like an actual, like, Lost Kong. Fucking Japanese Kong. I don't... You high? Okay. You gotta fight. You gotta take out the whole bridge. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh, it's Komaki! Komaki. Ah, whatever. Potato to potato. Komaki. It's whatever. Old man Komaki. Hunting for a place we can go at it. Just every May afternoon, constitutional. Taking the city. Okay. I gotta get across the bridge, but those punks are doing a good job of blocking the way. Break shut his face, that's fine by me. I just wish they'd hurry up, bruv. Fisticuffs. Knowing the rituals of their kind, I doubt things will take such a violent turn. Rituals. Breakdance, let's go! Dancing to assert dominance. These are good hard birds. Fighting with dancing. Asserting dominance. Yeah. This classic meme scene. Come on. Classic meme scene. Alright. The most OP style Majima has. Holy shit. Yo, even that music is good. Oh. Yo, this is probably, out of all Majima styles, or at least the primary three, because I know about the fourth style, this is probably my favorite track. Maybe. The breaker style track? I don't know. The Mad Dog Shimano one is also pretty good. A Reshi crew. Gonna be back for blood. Yeah. For blood on hitting your head from failing. Frock. Okay. Pecking order. Watson's. Bruh. I don't like the. Come back. You need to choose your words more carefully. No, I didn't say hungry. Yeah, alright. Okay. Still don't know if I could actually apply it. Anything to look forward to in our sparring. Get that you're ready to go with this. Okay. Then you actually tap apart. I will have my training to accompany me until then. Okay. To occupy a company. What? Alright. Breaker style. That's what it is before something else comes up. Yeah, let's move. Good to know I can... Alright, whatever. Good to know I've got... I got moves to bust. Okay, that would be... the Maharaja. Disco time. Appears 3,000. That's not that much. Why is my phone going off? Oh, that's fun. Oh, it's already done. Okay. Well, 30,000. Not that much. Time at Maharaja. God, Alright, whatever. Discotheque? Discotheque? I think the discotheque saloon. I forgot disco is short form for that word back there that I don't know how to pronounce. Because I'm bad at English. Disco time! Bumping, bopping, and vibing. Alright, time for the real stuff here. Let's just alright. Her dead. Alright. In the whole room, I just bring up big old party popcorn corks and cut loose. Oof. Damn. Keep on palling around with the kid who ran away from home, letting her couch surf, and the ones who are, their parents always kick me out. Oh, she homeless? So we're not the sort of friends who get together and party. That's why so many grab guys and hit the hotels just to have a place to sleep, but it's so risky. Oh man. For girls like you with no place else to go, keeping them safe on the streets at night. Some of the guys making those phone calls must be bad news. Stop, you put in a call to Makoto-san's pager, he sees that, then it comes running to rescue. Nice! This is interesting. This calls tree. Oh. Okay. I'm not gonna come to this better game, am I? Still just a kid on that front. Ooh. Is it disco time? Do I get to disco? Do I get to disco? Do I get to disco? Oh. You seem to turn out just how much you ago. What is this, man? I'll drop the extra. I figured I owed you for last time. What? You're making me foot the bill. When it comes to hit a hotel, you call your roided up buddy to come beat the shit. You get what you deserve. Don't think I didn't see you put that pill in my drink. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. Majima, it's time. It's your time to step in. Sticks and stones, baby. Hold up. Alright, yeah, here's where Majima's turn. Another one of these vicious bodyguards. I don't even know that girl. I'm just saying. You're in the goddamn way. Ooh, Majima being alright. Look, I miss Majima being cool. Majima's awesome. I love Majima. Funny guy. But there's so few. Aside from Zero, there are so few instances where you see him really be serious and cool. So I'm savoring every moment I see it here. Okay, circus clown tonight. All right. Hope you like breakdance because you're gonna be broke. Alright. Just hoping I get a chance to try that breakdance. Okay. It's a fight. It's a fight. It's a fight. And I need to practice the breaker style. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome. Alright, let's try this here. Fight time. Oh, right. This isn't the breaker stuff. Oh, not even a breaker style, that's why. Yeah! Pull off a freeze pose. Pull off an extra attack from a freeze pose. Trigger X attack followed by Y. Combo attack to finish with the freeze pose. Additional attack. Finishes with a double breaker. Okay. Oh, that's fun. You gotta give me the chance to attack. Oh. Let's go. Okay, I got some combos I'm pulling off. Oh my god! Breaker's actually busted though. Holy crap. I can pull the same combos off. Oh, oof. Nope, I would like some actual Oh, cool. I'll just go with it. Okay, I need to figure out how to use some of these heat actions. Let's go. There we go. Guess I got a fair amount of money off of that. That was pretty alright. Not the worst attempt at Breaker. I already feel like I'm gonna like Breaker. I feel like I'm gonna like Breaker a lot. Get the whole milking guys for freebies thing in check. I'm gonna step in this time, but man, I'd always be here to keep you safe. That's so. Chiropractor this time. Got a place in Shokofu South. Okay. Really? I think I could meet the big man himself if I head down to his clinic. Ah, and you're still gonna kill him. Ooh, the poor girl. The poor girl. Alright, let's see what we got here. Help me out. I'm gonna introduce this man in person now. Tell him it was me who told you. Okay. Okay, nice. Time what could have happened to me by now. A little too much credit. Besides, who can say that kind of ulterior motives a guy has for being so nice to so many girls? Okay. So he seems like just a nice guy. I guess it's... Oh. Huh. This little favor he asks us to help with. A favor? We were working to find a guy with the tattoo of a badge. We're supposed to let him know right away. A bad tattoo of his badge. Sorry, I've been looking for him for a long time. Okay. Bat tattoo. Bat tattoo. Is that Sagawa? Does Sagawa have a bat tattoo? Okay. Majima doesn't have a bat tattoo. Kiryu has a dragon. Nishiki has a carp. And Kuze has some dude. Sagawa? Shimano? No, Saejima has a tiger already. I knew this beforehand. Wano? Sagawa? Shimano? Shibusawa? I don't know. Alright. Pardon when you heard I had a tattoo. Alright. Bruh. Alright. You know your parents sometime. If I feel like it. Oh. Reckless. This is ain't adding up. He sounded nothing like how Sagawa described him. How the toast comebacks blowing women for cash turned into a saying going around saving them. What's to deal with this bad tattoo? Doesn't matter. Saying Scott, I'm killing Nakamura. That's the job. I'll worry about that later. I think. Ooh, this is intense. Yo. Bruv. I like... Ooh, this sounds pretty good. Yo, Shades. Alright. No, you're the guy on the Yamato Bridge who was duking it out with the big dude. Boom. Son, I felt that. The battle was sick. Died, seems this has to offer. Start to the curb. Okay. Look, I'm just tired. I tried out some random stuff that came to mind. It's nothing. It was like a... What? From the blue to me. Shout out from God. Crew? Kings... Arashi. You nuts? Why would I waste my time playing around with you and your friends? Go find somebody else. Me and this for real. I'm throwing down every day. We're gonna take over this town within Japan. Yeah, that's great. And just how you planned on doing that on the damn street. Ooh. Who wants to tell them, boys? Being from the future, we all know. Ooh, sorry, buddy. Breakdancing ain't lasting that long. Got plenty of guys like that coming through my club every night. Get my ass on TV. Alright, that's some plan. We take your crush. I'm pretty curious if I could take this way. Maybe I'll drop by. Don't go getting your hopes up though. Name's Majima. Alright, my man's still looks like a monkey. I can't get over that. Good to know. Alright, let's actually help the boy. Let's help the poor bastard. Okay, let's actually go to sub-stories first, real quick. To look in the alleys of Shofuku. So where's that's Sotenbori? Where's Shofuku? There's Shofuku. So I gotta start looking at the alleyways on the other side here. So yeah. So I start looking around the alleyways here, and I can find a forger in time. That's the plan. So, looking through the alleyways of Shofuku. Oh, I already have to fight some people. Yeet! Oh my god! That is brutal. Dude, so easy to spam. Forgot there's multiple parts of this. Oh shit! Oh, almost got the untouchable. Almost got totally untouchable from that. Damn. That sucks. Oh well. Alright. The alleys of Shofuku. Okay, please let me. God damn. Alright. Let's see what else I got here. You're kidding me? Okay. Whatever. I thought I just fought you boys. Alright. Time for some practice on Breaker then. Yeah, buddy. Boom. Down he goes. Easy to just... It's quite easy to spam, actually. Oh, shit. I missed my chance to get untouchable on that one as well. Oh, well. I quite like... Breaker style's fun, but I can see what people mean when they say it's easy. Oh, what's going on down there? Nope. This way. So, oh, shitty foreigner. Okay, good to go. Now you talk forever on payphone for free. Great, thanks, see ya. Happy to do business with you. Bye bye. What's that about? Some kind of deal went down. Probably best. Okay. Huh? What's up here? My cargo all over. They're speaking in Japanese. I'm translating broken Japanese into broken English. I love it. Guy dumped a bunch of phone cards. Oh no! No touch the merchandise! I'm doing you a favor picking up your cards. And no call for that attitude, friend. Ah, thank you! But no look too closely. Yeah, they're just phone cards. There's something different about them. Oh, no look. Alright. Huh? Sorry, my hearing not good. Japanese very hard to understand. Oh no, sorry. Oh, this guy is... Oh, you just calm down. Oh no! I mean, yes. Oh. I pro forger. I make one fake thing for you. You no telling thing. Appreciate the offer, but can't think of any fake thing. Hey, I actually might. Okay. What kind of fake you want? Just give me the damn necklace. Give me the damn necklace. Give me the damn necklace. I think it was called Destiny. Can you make a heart necklace for the fella? Easy cake. Top quality forger I make for you. Give young man this, my business card. Fans business card. Tell your friend to come to my office. Tell workers so they look after him. Fun son. Okay. But you don't forget, not talking about my. Okay, yeah, sure. 3 out boss prefer dead forger to famous forger, you know? Right. Okay. Well, I'll be. Nice. So, can I see where my guy is at? Or does it just kind of... Oh, there he is. Let's just end the sub-story, and I think we'll call it there. And then a little tensor note for next time. Okay, where are you, lad? Here you are. Okay, still no clue. Bing, 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 wahoo. Get the business card over. Let's go. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Done and done. Oh, there's another part to it? Alright. Well, I said I'm gonna finish the sub-story before I end the episode, even if it extends it by 5-10 minutes. I'll end this damn episode. Yeet. Okay. I'd be about here. Let's go. Oh no. That's not good. What suspicious man do I have to fight? Oh no. Are you kidding me? This place top secret. Normal necklace buy I cannot find. Tell you the truth, how? It's up sideways. Hey, it's nothing wrong. Let him go, will you? Ah, you're a partner of this guy? This place top secret. You know secret. You know stay alive. Sorry, you have to die. I love... Oh my god, is it racist to say I just love the way the dialogue is written? Because I know it's broken. No one here saw it. Oh my god. Alright, suspicious men. Chinese men! I knew okay, I figured they were supposed to be Chinese. Because that's... Okay, breaker style time! Let's go! I just gotta keep using that move, and I'll be invincible. Let's go! Boom, 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 boom. Full heat bar. Okay, I gotta learn how to actually use the heat actions here. I gotta learn how to use these real heat actions. Okay, let's go. This is gonna take us some time, isn't it? Okay, actually, let's do quick. Oh! Oh. Okay. Oh! Not what I wanted! That's not what I wanted at all. Okay. There we go. That's what I wanted here. See? Breaker style was fun, but it was taking forever, so I was like, oh, I'll just switch styles. Big mistake, apparently. Alright, alright. He's the boss, really? Say something. Someone tell them. These guys. Oh. Get to tell boys here you coming. Oh, fan, come on. fun, fan. Come on, lad. Alright, well. So then I get business card. Nothing to forget. There's a guy who... Oh my god. Easy. Harder things. Necklace is easy. Alright. Okay, finally, let's get this sub-story done. Bing bing and wahoo. Necklace is done. God. I still can't get over. They translated broken Japanese into broken English. I love it. Okay, he's finished. Excellent quality. Oh, that's probably the most racist way I could have said that without straight up doing the accent. Oh. Damn, that's good. Now. Right, we're square. Thanks to everyone's help. Yeah. Good. Get going then. Alright. You better not get in trouble for this. Still. Alright, no problem. Alright. But he blows smoke too. Alright. Is that the end of the sub-story, or do I gotta actually follow the dude? Oh no. Okay. Alright, yeah. Alright. Oh no. Please tell me it went well. Why is the phone going off again? Huh? Oh, she's gonna start. Oh, Jesus Christ. You gave me. Oh no. Excuse me. Alright, this is not gonna. Oh, it's just going downhill. You should have explained it. Possess you to spill the beans. Hey, in for a yen, in for a Q. If you're gonna get a guilt complex, you shouldn't have faked it to begin with. Alright, kill it. You wanted to see a hand. That part is real. Some trouble you probably don't want to know about. His life and his digits in danger. He's in a shirt, trying to slip you a fake, it's a dumb mistake. We went through all that just so you could see you smile. You're nothing fake about it. Aww. That's nice. Yeah. Huh? Aww. That's nice. I like that. Huh? Aw, that's nice. Fake. Oh, that's nice. I like this. This is very wholesome. This is a very wholesome end to the episode. I'm quite happy. The girlfriend. The boyfriend. The girlfriend on some Friday night fucking shit. Alright, that was good. I like that. That was nice. That was very wholesome. I quite like that. Well, I guess that's a suitable end for this episode, yeah? I think about now would be a good time to just call it quits and move on. I'll catch you guys in the next one when we probably do that sub-story at the bottom and finally face off against Makoto Makimura. See you guys then.